Is there a shortcut to open folders up in a new window? With directories you can right-click and GT. Open in new window. However, I would like to know whether there is an easier shortcut, because this is an action that I perform all the time.
Hold down Ctrl and double-click the file/folder to open in a new window. You can also hold Ctrl and hit Enter on a highlighted folder to accomplish the same thing, in case you like to browse with your keyboard. Let me know if that's what you needed.
See column /users /username /downloads. In shortcut properties, the type target is folder, and this open in same window. To change behavior, put parameter and path in field target. Before path, see column /windows /explorer.exe/n. Like this. See column /windows /explorer.exe/n. See column /users /username /downloads. Or see column /windows /explorer.exe/n. See column /users /username /downloads. This changed target type to application located to Explorer, then explorer.exe gets parameter n to open your custom path to folder in new window.
Selecting the folder on the left, Ctrl+N, Alt+Tab, Enter. Shout out to Shaughnessy Queen this URL.
I came here looking for an answer but eventually figured it out myself. So for any folder, Ctrl+ right click and then just press E. Edit. I'm just 4 years too late.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.